Hello everyone, my name is Naman Basan. I am final year student at Government Engineering College Ajmer in Mechanical Engineering. Today I am here to present a seminar on belt drive technology. My seminar guidance is under Dr. Doraj Kamal Jamuba, Assistant Professor, Department in Mechanical Engineering. In this presentation, we are going to learn about technology in belt drive, types of belt drive, advantage, challenges, and application of belt drive. Introduction to belt drive. A mechanism in which power is transmitted by the movement of a continuous flexible belt. A belt is a loop of flexible material used to link two or more rotating shafts mechanically, most often parallel. Belts may be used as a source of motion to transmit power efficiently or to track relative movements. Belts are looped over pulley and may have a twist between the pulley and the shaft need to not to be parallel. Experts believe that we are living through the fourth industrial revolution or Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 being a sea change into the manufacturing, logistics, and automation. An important aspect of this revolution, apart from cloud computing, is the industry Internet of Things. Industry IoT and IIoT is making it possible for business across a wide variety of domains to address business operations like never before. One of the biggest beneficial of IoT technology is the conveyor belt system. Conveyor belts are used in several industries spanning logistics, manufacturing, automobile, and more. The modern conveyor belt has in fact arrived at its present stage after going through several stages of evolution since it was used for first time in 1892 for carrying coach. Conveyor belt assembly line were first introduced by Henry Ford in 1901. Since then, conveyor belts have gone through several mainstream change. Currently, the industry is the sword of another strategical change, which in integration of IoT into conveyor belt system. Industry that use conveyor belts each face certain unique problem. Here we try to identify the problem faced the industry that are almost commonly used conveyor belt system. These industries tend to gain the most from the Internet of industrial applications. Belt drive. In machinery, a pair of pulleys attached to usually parallel shaft and connected by an encircling flexible belt that can serve to transmit and modify rotary motion from one shaft to another. Most belt drive consist of flat leather, rubber or fabric belts running on cylindrical pulleys or belt with a V-shaped cross section running on grooved pulleys. To create an effective frictionless grip on the grip pulley, belt must be installed with a substantial tension. Because of wedging action of the belt in the grooves, V belts require less tension than do flat belts and are particularly suitable for connecting shafts that are closer together. Flat and V belts slip when overloaded, and in some applications, this condition may be more desirable than a rigid drive because it limits the transmitted torque and may prevent breakage of parts. Now we are going to discuss types of belt. Round belt. Round belts are generally made of rubber. This type of belt is generally used for light load, such as a sewing machine or vacuum cleaner. V belt. V belt are arguably the most widely used belt in industry. V belts have a V-shaped cross section which rests against the side of V pulley under tension. V-shaped cross section prevents belt from slipping off. Third is flat belts. Flat belts are also used to transmit power from one shaft to another. They are generally classified as either small woven endless belts or higher power flat belts. Fourth is timing belts. Timing belts are toothed belts that use their teeth for power transmission as opposed to friction. Now we will see the types of belt drive. In a pulley system, depending upon the direction of the belt drive the pulley, the belt drive are divided into two types. First is open belt drive and second is crossed belt drive. Now we will see the advantage of belt drive. Belt drives are simple and economical, and they don't need any parallel shaft, as belt need parallel shafts. Belt drives are provided with overload and jam protection. Noise and vibration are damped out. Machinery life is increased because load fluctuation and shock absorber. They are lubrication free. They require less maintenance cost. Belt drive are highly efficient use up to 90%, 98%, usually 95%. They are very economical when the distance between shafts is very large. Now, the challenges in belt drives, angular velocity ratio is not necessarily constant or equal to the ratio of pulley diameters because of slipping and stretching. Head buildup occurs. Speed is limited to usually 35 meter per second. Power transmission is limited up to 370 kilowatts. As operating temperature are usually restricted to 35 to 85 degrees Celsius. And fourth point is some adjustment of center distance or use of an idler pulley is necessary for bearing and stretching of belt driven compensation. First, belt drive. Bicycle belt drive. A belt driven bicycle is chainless bicycle that used a toothed synchronous belt to transmit power from the pedal to the wheel. The application of belt drive to bicycle is growing, especially in the commute bicycle market, due to the low maintenance and the lubrication free benefits. Conveyor system. A conveyor belt is the carry medium of a belt conveyor system. A belt conveyor system is one of many types of conveyor system. A belt conveyor system consists of two or more pulleys with a closed loop of carrying medium, the conveyor belt that rotate about them. Lathe machine. V-belt drive lathe machine featured. Our V-belt drive heavy duty lathe machine is the perfect machining equipment for handling hard materials, and it is a space saving workshop equipment. It is also stay precise, fast, reliable and consistent. The V-belt provides allowed to accuracy in shaping metal and other type of work materials. Air compressor. Belt drive air compressor designed is for industrial purpose. As John Laymed was saying, it was ideal for the user who have garage or workshop and need to power several heavy duty tools like sander, die grinder, impact bath, big spray guns and all. Now we will discuss about future scope work of conveyor belt drive. First is IoT solution for the conveyor belt. Keeping all the problem in mind, we understand that the automation is a key feature of any modern day industry. It is the one factor that sets part modern day industry from traditional one. IoT solution gather data from individual device and component to enable large scale industry automation of IoT. When the integration of IoT platform with conveyor belt, we can solve several core industry challenge across several industries. Let's have a look at how it can be done. Remote monitoring. Components such as idler roll can be monitored accuracy in real time from the remote location. This can be several valuable man horse. Assess the technical health for the roller bearing can be done measuring their temperature. Normal operating temperature range between 20 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius depending on the ambient temperature. If temperature of a bearing increases to high temperature from reaching 80 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, then it is clear sign of potential bearing failure. By using temperature sensor in mining IoT solution, business get alert that provide a significant amount of time to reach the any potential damage. This can help save several man hours which were early spent in manufacturing monitoring idle fault. Identification of failed parts, preventing maintenance. Barcode tracking, technology solutions, sensor nodes. In technical solution, the generic IoT solution for conveyor system comprises the three main parts. This can be further customized to a company's specific need. Sensor node. Sensor node compares all the sensors that pick data from the various hardware component to provide insight of the actual fundamental to the conveyor line. Voltage sensor. This sensor helps to identify how long the belt has run. Temperature sensor. Temperature sensor provide real time information on the temperature of the belt and allow to predict if it is time to the system to reset the avoid manufacturing due to overheating. Vibration sensor as well as data communication, real time information system in data communication. All the data collected by the sensor once received by the network coordinator is transferred to the gateway from their GPRS signal and it is brought to the RIMS as well as server section, UI section, and on. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.